In the last episode, you saw us picking up our buddy Casey's Humvee. Now that he's had it for a little while, he's done some work in hopes of having it running and driving down the road. Upon further inspection, Casey found out that someone had filled the diesel tank, this being a diesel-powered truck for those who don't know, with gasoline. Gasoline will ruin the injection pump, hence why it doesn't run.
Well, it wouldn't start. Got this thing from GovPlanet, something.com, something. Anyways.
Good advertisement.
I started small. I started with the glow plugs. Glow plugs wouldn't work. Got those to work, still wouldn't start. Disconnected the fuel lines, and that's when I wasn't getting fuel to the fuel lines. Was hoping it wasn't the fuel injection pump because it's like the hardest thing to get to. And checked everything else, cleaned everything else. Knew ultimately what it was, so I bought a new fuel injection pump and just got done installing it with the help of my lovely assistant behind the camera. Now we're gonna do a once over and make sure that there's no wrenches or anything like that, although there is a number 11 sprocket missing, so if it starts up and you see something shoot out, that's probably it. Other than that, it's about to go down, and we got a spectator somewhere over here who's gonna watch as well. So,
It's either gonna go really well or really bad.
dive under the truck. All right, here we go. I don't know if you can see where my finger's at. This right here is a pressure relief. And
Did I hear?
I'm gonna, I think you did, watch your shins.
The first test was to see if the injection pump was actually working. Since all the parts are rebuilt or used, there's no guarantee they'll actually work. But we got lucky, the pump was working. Now was the moment of truth to see if this baby will fire up.
Fuel's not coming out yet, so there's that. Nothing.
So the $1 million question is, how do we purge the air out of the system?
Speed of the engine goes, the more pressure will go, right?
Load of fuel though. It looks like it's coming from the top. Thank God. Well, that's exciting. Now we just gotta fix the catastrophic.
I mean, is the fuel leaking out that bad?
Yes,
Oh.
because it's flammable.
Oh.
We ran into a few fuel leaks along the way, but it was nothing we couldn't handle.
I done did it.
And it's another day. I am headed out back to Casey's to go help him work on the Humvee. We got it to run yesterday. We put all the fuel lines and everything back on. I'm extremely impressed with the fact that we got it done as fast as we did. Granted, I haven't really spent that much time on it, but super stoked for Casey. I know he's really excited, especially with the fact that we haven't found any, knocks or anything like that. We did have a little bit of fuel leakage issue, but I think he remedied that already. So now I'm gonna head out there and we are gonna put the intake back on. I know he's scraping the gaskets off right now, or the old ones, so we can slap it back together and hopefully drive this bad boy. So wish us luck.
Currently, I'm taking the old gasket material off of the intake. Bad, better. Bad, better. Caroline is now going to direct your attention to what she has done.
I'm the overachiever over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we scraped all this old gasket material off and new gaskets are in and ready for Casey whenever he wants to get it together. All right, many hours later, we have gotten everything put back together. Now it's time to test drive it.
It doesn't. There it goes. Oh, we're gonna have to read the book on that one.
Well, it made it. It's running pretty good. Since we had no windshield, Casey got nailed by a wasp that had hit the hood and then hit his arm. Sorry, Casey, but it was really funny to watch.
Ow! I saw it with its ass in me. Oh.
What'd you get stung by?
A wasp. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're stinging it.
Well, that's it for this episode on HH Wheels. If you guys enjoyed it, leave us a like, comment what you want to see us do next, maybe another Humvee. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And lastly, get out there and get wrenching with your friends because it is certainly a ton of fun. Peace out.